Hi learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the new topic, that is the percentage. From that we are going to start with the part 1. So here actually percentage means actually that is the another way of the comparing quantities. We have done in the previous one the comparing quantities. This is also one of the another way of comparing quantities. So now we'll go directly with the exercise, and wherever possible here, wherever the explanation needed, I'll give you. So here we'll go directly with the exercise 8.1. So now here they said complete the following table and answer the questions given below. So just completing the table is not going to make sense. Just see how it is done. This part is already the yellow part, which is written with the yellow color. That is already there in the table. In this numbers are being given, and the white one that is been solved. So now see here, whenever there is percentage, means this is the percentage 6%. So how will you write this in fraction? So whenever you see a percentage sign, so that means this number will be 6, and you have to always divide it by 100. So that is a fraction from percentage to fraction. So I have written over here, from percentage to fraction means you have to divide by 100, and when it is from fraction to percentage means you have to multiply by 100. So this from percentage to fraction means that is divided by 100. And if you go in the other way, from fraction to percentage, so what will you do? You are going to multiply by 100. So this and this will get cut. So what you get is 6%. So hope you got this. When you come from here to here, means you divide it by 100. 6 becomes 6 by 100. And when we go in the opposite way, so that becomes you are going to multiply by 100. So it becomes 6. So now here the decimal means what you are going to do for this one. So you will write here 6. And how many zeros are there? That many zeros. Now you will write 6, and you will go that many from right to left. So you will write here 2 numbers. So we don't, this is just 6 is alone. So we'll write here 1 0, and then we are going to put a point. So it is going to be 0.06. Now see here, this is given 30%. Means what you are going to write here? 30 divided by 100, because I said from percentage to fraction means you have to divide by 100. So now what you can see, 0 and 0 gets cut. So you have to write in a simplified way. That will be 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 is the answer. So now for this 3 by 10, you have to make it to decimal. So 3 by 10. So we will write this number. What is in the numerator is 3. How many zeros are here? Only 1 0. So you will go backwards 1. So that is going to be 0.3. Now here, this is not given. This was not given. This also was not given. So now what will you do here? You will write here, this is given 0.4. So 0.4, how did you get this one? So you will go here, 0.4 means this is going to be 4 by 10. In the fraction, it is going to be 4 by 10. So here, 0.4 means 4 by 10. But here what we have, here we have the percentage also. So what will you write here? 40 by this 4 by 10 means the percentage means you are going to multiply from the fraction to percentage means you are going to multiply by 100. So what will be here? 10 ones are 10 tens are. So that is going to be 40%. So 40% means that you are going to write here 40 by 100, and which will be 0 0 will get cut here. 2 2s are and 2 5s are. That will be 2 by 5. Now this 90% is given. This 90% is going to be 90 by 100. This and this gets cut. That is going to be 9 by 10. So 9 by 10 means, how will you write here? 9 divided by 10. You will write here 9 as it is. There is 1 0, so you will go backwards 1. That is going to be 0.9. 125% means you will write here 125 by 100. Always from percentage to fraction, you divide it by 100. So this goes with the table. This will be 125 by 100. So this will go with 5. So this by 25, sorry. So this will be 25, this also by 25. So this is going to be 5 by 4. So this 125 by 100, again what we can write here, or we can do one thing. How we are going to make it to decimal? There are 2 ways. Either we write this one, we make it to decimal. So how are you going to make it to decimal? 125 by 100. So you will write here 125. You will go backwards by 2 number, 1.25. Or you can do one thing. You can also write here 5 divided by 4. So this is going to be 5 ones are 5, 4 ones are 4, and then will be 1. So you will put your 0. So you will put your 1 decimal. 4 twos are 8, 2, 0. So 1.25. Anyways, you can write it. Now see, this is given 7 by 2. So we have to see how to find out the percentage. So as it is written here, fraction to percentage means 7 by 2. You are going to multiply by 100. So what will be this? Well, it's going to be 700 divided by 2. So, or you can do also here 2 ones are 250s are. So that is going to be what? 350. So this is 350%. And this in decimal, what will you do? 7 divided by 2 means 7 divided by 2. You are going to write here 2 3s are 6, and this will be 1. And then if you put here 1 0, that is going to be 5. So that will be 3.5. Now here, look at the next table. Fraction in the lowest term. These things are given. So now if it is 1 by 5. So now you have to write a fraction with 100 as denominator. So 100 as denominator, so we can, this is written as 21s are and 25s are. So this is the denominator is 100. So this can be 0 and 0 will get cut. So 2 by 10 means it is going to be 0.2. And 0.2, if you are going to do this one, you are going to multiply by 100. For 0.2 from this one to percentage means you will multiply by 100. So you will write here 2, put here 2 zeros, and how many decimals after this one number? We have a decimal after one number, you will go backwards 1. So it is going to be 20.0. So that is going to be 20%. So from any number, when you want to go to the percentage, you are going to multiply by 100. Now see here, only this part was given. So from this part, first thing what we are going to write here, we can write this percentage. How? 0.08, we have to multiply by 100. So what will you get? 8, you will write here 2 zeros, and then we will go backwards by 2 and put a decimal, backwards by 2 and put a decimal. So that is going to be 8%. And since here they have said fraction with 100 as denominator. So now this, 8 divided by, you are going to divide it by 100. So when you divide this one, you get 0.08. And fraction in the lowest term. Fraction in the lowest term means this goes with 4 2s are and 4 25s are. So that is going to be 2 by 25. Now here 55 by 100 is given. From this one, how to write in a decimal? So now see here 55 by 100. So you will write the number, this numerator 55. How many zeros are here? 2. You will go backwards by 2. So there will be a point 0.55. So decimal is 0.25. 55, sorry. So percentage means 0.55 into 100. So you will write here 55, 2 zeros. And you will go backwards by 2 number and put a decimal, backwards by 2 and put a decimal. So that is going to be 55%. And how will you write fraction with 100 as denominator? You know that the number is 55. 55 divided by 100. So when you do this cross-checking, you will get 0.55. And lowest term means this goes with 5 11s are, 5 20s are. So that will be 11 by 20. Now let us see how to solve this question here. This is 9 by 50 given. So here they have said fraction with 100 as denominator. So what will you do here? 9 by 50, you are going to multiply this by 2. This also you are going to multiply by 2. So 52 this is 100. So this will be 18 by 100. So 18 by 100. Now this for decimal means, 18 divided by 100 means you will write here 18. And there are 2 zeros means you are going to go backwards to and put a decimal 0.18. So that is going to be from this number to percentage means you will write here 0.18 into 100. So you will write here 18, put 2 zeros, and then you will go backwards by 2. That is going to be 18%. Now here 250% is given. So what will you do first? From this one we can write here 250% means we have to make it to fraction. From percentage to fraction means that will be 250 divided by 100. So you are going to write here 250 divided by 100 here. So now what will you do? We want this, after getting this, we can make it to decimal. There are many ways. One of the ways is this one. So 250 divided by 100. So this will be, so 25 by 10. So that is going to be 2.5. So this will 2.5. So now what will you write here? We want fraction in the lowest term. So now you have 250 by 100. So we want this one fraction in the lowest term. So this and this gets cancelled. 5 2s are, 5 5s are. So that will be 5 by 2. So now here the convert the following into percentage. So whenever we want to convert this one, this is the fraction. From fraction to percentage means we multiply by 100. So this will be multiplied by 100. This is what I've written. 5 ones are 5 20s are. So 24s are 80%. Again here this is given 3 by 40 into 100. This and this goes to 2s are and 2 5s are. So this is going to be 15 by 2 percentage. So 15 divided by 2 means that is going to be 7.5%. Now here 17 by 25 into 100. So 25 ones are, 25 fours are. This is going to be 68%. 13 by 20 into 100. 20 ones are, 25s are. So this is going to be 65%. Here will be 29 by 50. 29 by 50 into 100. So this will be 29 twos are, that is going to be 58%. 5 by 2 into 100, 2 ones are, 2 50s are, so this will be 250%. Now here we have to convert each of the following decimals into percentage. The decimals into percentage means you are going to multiply by 100. So 0.35 into 100, so you will write your 35, 2 zeros, and you will go backwards by 2 digits. So this will be 35%. 0.8 means 0.8 into 100. So you will write here 0.8 into 100 means you will write 8. And these 2 zeros, you will go backwards by 1. So that is going to be 80%. 10.85 into 100. So you will write here 0, 0. You will write whole number without a decimal. Put 2 zeros. And then you will go backwards by 2 numbers. So that will be 1025%. So 0.3 into 100, you will write this number without a decimal. Put two zeros here. You will go backwards by 1. So that will be 30%. 0.9 into 100, you will write here 9. 2 zeros. Go backwards by 1. So that will be 90%. 1.25 into 100, you will write without a decimal, that will be 125. Put 2 zeros. Go backwards by 2. And put a decimal, so that will be 125%. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.